Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make chili seasoning dip. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to go down and subscribe, like this channel, leave a comment, and then share it with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making chili seasoning dip, and I'm going to be using my version of the chili seasoning, which is Chef Politte's chili seasoning that you can find on itsonlyfood.biz, or you can go right down to the icon of me on this video, hit that button, it'll take you to the channel, and then you can go to the store, which you see right here. Click that, and you'll see my store in there, and you can go look at the chili seasoning, and it'll show you pictures of it and add it to your cart, or you can buy it right away if you want. So there's that. So here's our recipe for the chili seasoning dip. We've got a half a cup of sour cream, a half a cup of mayo. We've got 1 tablespoon of my seasoning dip, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese, and 1 tablespoon of some chopped green onions. Let's mix this up. All right, we got a nice bowl here, big enough for all of our ingredients. This is going to make approximately 1 cup. So I'll start with our sour cream, and then our mayonnaise. Like I said, this recipe is on itsonlyfood.biz, or you can follow along down in the comment section. You will see the link for how to get there. We got our mayonnaise in there now. Get our green onions. Our squeeze of lime, no seeds, beautiful. That squeaking noise you hear in the background is our puppy that we just got named Emma. We will be introducing her later in further videos, but right now she's in lockdown because she'd be knocking over my camera when she gets the zoomies. So she's a good little girl when she says hi to everybody. All right, we got our seasonings in there, the lime juice. Let's go ahead and fold in our cheese. Whip that in there as well. That is all good to go. We are going to chill this for about 45 minutes. Then we're going to come back, take some wonderful pictures of it with some tortilla chips, and we're going to give it a taste. So don't go anywhere. Enjoy the pictures. Beautiful photos. Here's our dip with some chips. Got the product placement going. Get our chip. Let's get this dip in here. Oh yeah, beautiful color, beautiful texture. Sticks to the chip really nice, as you can see, not sliding off. A lot of flavor in there, all the colors, you can see all the different flavors. Give it a try. Velvetyness of the sour cream and the mayonnaise, and you got that little bit of kick from the seasonings. The lime juice brings it out too. Definitely good. Yeah, some good flavor. Green onion gives it a little bit of bite. Toothiness, not bite like it's heat, but toothiness. Give it one more. Nice smoothness against the contrast of the chips. There's that little bite of that green onion. Yeah, that's a beautiful dip. That is really good. Don't forget to head to my store. You can go right there from this video, click the icon in the right corner bottom down there to go to my channel, and it will show you the store. And this video is not only going up on YouTube, but it's also going to go onto my website in the store for that particular seasoning. So I appreciate you helping out. Take care of yourself. See you again real soon.
From the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah, now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. Hey yo, I never been so